10 times your portfolio like a pro. What if I told you there's a secret crypto strategy the pros use to 10 times their portfolios, and it's easier than you think? You see it all the time. People YOLOing into meme coins, chasing pumps, and then losing their shirts when the market inevitably corrects. They think it's a get-rich-quick scheme, but the real money is made by playing the long game. In this video, I'm going to break down the 4 essential strategies that separate the crypto pros from the amateurs. We're going to dive deep into the tactics that help me build my own crypto portfolio, and I promise this is the kind of insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. So buckle up and get ready to transform your trading game. Now let's talk about chart patterns. You ever notice how price charts kind of resemble those squiggly lines kids draw? Well, believe it or not, there's an actual rhyme and reason to the madness. See, professional traders, they don't just throw darts at a board and hope for the best. They look for specific formations on the charts like bull flags, double bottoms, head and shoulders. These are your treasure maps to potential profit. Think of a bull flag, for example. It's like a little pause during a big upward price move, where the bulls are catching their breath before charging even higher. Once you learn to spot these patterns, you'll start seeing them everywhere, and you'll be able to anticipate the market's next move before it even happens. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not rocket science. There are tons of free resources online. TradingView, Investopedia, you name it. Spend some time each day learning a new pattern, and you'll be surprised how quickly you start to see the market through a whole new lens. Because here's the thing, when you understand chart patterns, you're no longer reacting to the market, you're anticipating it. You're thinking like a chess player, always 2 steps ahead. And that, my friends, is how you generate consistent long-term profits in the crypto game. Don't be discouraged if you don't become a chart wizard overnight. Even seasoned traders are constantly learning and refining their skills. The key is to be patient, stay consistent, and never stop educating yourself. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the volatile world of crypto. Alright, let's talk about whales, those big players in the crypto ocean who can make waves with a single trade. We're talking institutions, hedge funds, even some individual investors sitting on massive stacks of Bitcoin. See, when a whale buys or sells a large amount of crypto, it creates a ripple effect that can move the entire market. Now, you might think they're operating in some secret society, but the truth is, their actions leave clues. That's where tools like Whale Alert come in. These platforms track large crypto transactions in real time, giving you a glimpse into the movements of the whales. Think of it like having a secret window into their trading strategy. Now, I'm not saying you should blindly follow every whale move, they're not always right, but by keeping an eye on their activity, you can start to understand market sentiment and identify potential opportunities. For example, let's say you see a whale moving a large amount of Bitcoin from an exchange to a private wallet. This could be a bullish signal, indicating that they're holding long-term and expecting the price to go up. On the other hand, if you see a whale dumping a large amount of crypto on the market, it might be a good time to proceed with caution. Remember, information is key in the crypto world, and tracking whale movements gives you a valuable edge. It's like having a sixth sense for market trends, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. So don't be afraid to swim with the whales. Just make sure you're paying attention to their every move. Chapter 3. Master the news cycle. Stay ahead of the crypto curve. Let's face it, the crypto market moves faster than a Tesla on autopilot. One minute you're sipping your coffee, the next minute your portfolio's doing the tango, and not the good kind. That's why staying ahead of the news cycle is absolutely crucial. Remember, we're not just talking about price fluctuations here. Regulatory announcements, technological advancements, even Elon Musk's tweets, they can all send shockwaves through the crypto market. So how do you keep up with this constant stream of information? My advice, treat it like a pro. Set up Google alerts for specific keywords. Bitcoin regulation, Ethereum upgrade, Dogecoin. You get the idea. Subscribe to industry newsletters like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. Follow influential crypto analysts and journalists on Twitter. The key is to create a personalized news stream that delivers the most relevant information directly to you. Don't just rely on social media for your news. It's often filled with noise and misinformation. Now, when you see a breaking news alert, don't just react impulsively. Take a moment to analyze the information, consider its potential impact on the market, and then make a calculated decision. Are you buying the dip? Are you taking some profits? Remember, knowledge without action is useless. By staying ahead of the news cycle, you're essentially gaining a sixth sense for market-moving events. You'll be able to anticipate trends, capitalize on opportunities, and avoid potential pitfalls. And that, my friends, is how you navigate the crypto waters like a seasoned captain. Chapter 4. Play the long game. Patience is your crypto superpower. Now for the most important lesson of all, the one that separates the true crypto winners from the rest. Patience. See, the crypto market is a roller coaster. It's full of ups and downs, twists and turns. But here's the thing. Those who panic sell during the dips, they never get to enjoy the exhilarating highs. Remember, Bitcoin didn't become a global phenomenon overnight. It took years of slow, steady growth, punctuated by periods of extreme volatility. But those who held on, who believed in the technology and its potential, they were rewarded handsomely. So how do you cultivate this elusive quality of patience? It starts with your mindset. Shift your focus from short-term gains to long-term growth. Don't get distracted by every little price fluctuation or every new meme coin that pops up. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of solid projects with real-world use cases. Do your research, invest in what you believe in, and then, most importantly, hold on tight. Think of it like planting a tree. You wouldn't dig it up every few weeks to see if it's growing, would you? No, you give it time, you nurture it, and you let it flourish over the long term. The crypto market is no different. Be patient, ignore the noise, and trust in the process. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning crypto portfolio. Trade smart, trade bold, unlock your crypto potential. So there you have it, the 4 pillars of a winning crypto strategy. Remember, trading like a pro isn't about luck or timing the market perfectly. It's about having a solid plan, managing your risk, and staying disciplined, even when things get bumpy. These 4 steps separate amateurs from pros. Ready to transform your trading game? Save this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider crypto strategies.